Hi and welcome to another Schoolbox tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the Wysiwyg editor, which stands for what you see is what you get. And you'll find the Wysiwyg editor in a number of locations when you're publishing content within Schoolbox. But for this example today, I'm going to be using a simple text box. So you can see how I've just added a text box to this homepage through the Customize page area. And once it's added, I'm clicking on the Modify Content button. So I can give this text box a heading, but this brings us to the actual Wysiwyg editor. So the Wysiwyg editor is pretty much like a Word document editor, and it allows you to publish content. We can call it bullet lists, such as this. And it also allows us to link to other resources. And we can do this through the Insert Link button. Now, clicking this actually will bring up this next modal window. And there's two options here. We can either upload or browse. In this case, I'm actually going to select browse, and I'm going to navigate to a photo. But you could link to files, other home pages that you've set up, or external URLs and website links on the web. So the Wysiwyg editor has these sort of standard controls that allow us to do some general markup. But it also allows us to upload and embed images. So in this example, I'm going to opt to browse for an existing image, and I'll use this one. In this case, it's come through a little bit large, so I'm going to click the Appearance tab and just modify that image, and also set it to float over to the right-hand side. And I might just drag this over here, bring it in line, and there we go, we've got some content and an image floated to the right. So let's just click save on that for now so we can have a look at how that looks. Excellent. So if you want to make further changes, you can come back into the Wysiwyg editor, and you can see here that all that content is still here. So I might want to add a heading. Now, along with these basic functions, we've also got the full toolbar list, which we often refer to as the kitchen sink, and that could be very helpful for power users who want access to further content markup tools. So in this case, I'm actually going to turn this into a heading, or I might specify a larger font size, and we've also got things like a spell checker. If you're pasting from Word, you can use this paste from Word option, and you can even go ahead and actually create tables and table cells, as you can see here. Okay. Now, one last thing that's extremely valuable in the Wysiwyg editors is the ability to insert videos and other embeddable media types. So I've got an example here of a video, volleyball video. And so if we wanted to put this into our page, we can simply copy the link. And when we come back to our Wysiwyg editor, we simply click this Insert Edit Embedded Media icon. And in the URL field, we're going to paste that YouTube link. You can see that's brought that through straight away. There's also support for other embeddable media. So if I was to, for example, navigate to Google Maps and search for Camberwell, you can use these what we call embed codes. So there's support for a large amount of embeddable content in our system in Schoolbox, and most of the time that's going to be done through this Edit HTML button. And the Edit HTML button will allow us to actually paste in additional embed code. And you can see that that's appeared here. So if I now click Save and we scroll down, we can now see that we've got a video and a Google map. And so look, that's a bit of a basic overview on using the Wysiwyg editor. I hope that's been useful, and we'll see you next time.